Hey guys, I'm Doug Williams. I want to just kind of give you a video to kind of show you around the course and how this course is going to work. I'm really excited about this course. I've went through this material years ago as a soccer coach at Hines Community College, and it really, I felt like improved my coaching, improved my ability to have a positive impact on my student athletes. And I'm thankful for the opportunity to share it with you. I think this is going to be a really good semester, and you're going to enjoy really interacting with this course and with each other, and hopefully you'll get a lot out of it, and this will make a big difference in your coaching and the way that you have a positive impact on your students and the performance of your teams. So let me show you how this is going to work. We'll use modules to navigate the course. So this is my modules button right here. So everything you do is going to kind of work through modules. So every week you'll log in. There's an introductory module that I'll have this video in, course objectives, the recommended browsers for this course. We recommend you use Chrome. And then there's a discussion question. Most of what you'll do in Canvas is discussion questions. So the first discussion question, you'll just introduce yourself to the class. You'll submit a photo with that. I've already done that kind of as an example for you. Here is a link to the 3D Institute. So you'll just click on this link each week, or you can go to 3dinstitute.com to get yourself to the website. That's the website that you'll be doing most of your coursework in. That's where you'll be interacting with the course material. And then you have a series of discussion questions. There's 25 modules at the 3D Institute course. And with each module, you will answer one discussion question. You'll work at your own pace with this course, but I think it's designed where you have about 12 weeks and there's 25 modules, so you need to do a little bit more than one every week. You can certainly do them faster than that if you like. And at the end, you'll submit your certificate from the 3D Institute. They will mail you a certificate. You need to make sure that you get that done with at least a week or two left, so they can go ahead and send you that certificate, and then you can upload it for this assignment. Half of your grade will come from submitting this certificate, which is proof that you've completed the 3D Institute course. And then the other half of your grade will come from completing these discussion questions. And I'll grade these pretty much every day. I'll log in and I'll see what you've done. And as soon as you've completed those questions, I'll go ahead and grade those. So let me take you to the 3D Institute and show you how that works. So you go to 3dinstitute.com. You'll create an account here, really easy to do to get logged in. So you just click this tab that says courses, and you'll do the 3D coaching course for certification. There is a fee. You can see there's a fee associated with this. I'm working on getting you a discount code. If I have that, I'll put that on the home page. But right now I don't have one of those, but hopefully I'll have that. I'll have that soon. You will have to pay that fee, and then each week when you log in, you just go to my account and hit my profile. I'm just going to walk you through a module. I've taken a couple courses from them, but this is the one you'll take, 3D coaching course for certification. And let me just kind of choose a module here on goal setting. So here's a module on goal setting. So you'll start with module 1, but I'm just going to show you this one as an example. Each week, just start at the first one and work your way through. You can hit next to go to the next one, but we'll start here with objectives. It shows you the objectives for this particular module. Some of these are also listed in the Canvas course. You hit next unit. This one gives you a video. It's 2 minutes and 32 seconds. You'll watch the video. You can take notes inside here if you like. So the videos aren't real long, but the content is content you really want to interact with. There is a quiz at the end of this video. You have to pass the quiz in order to go on to the next section. So this one covers process goals. It also has a quiz. This one helps you figure out how to apply the information from this module. So there's great examples, because I want you to be able to learn strategies and then apply these strategies with your student athletes. That's really where you'll see the benefit of this course, is learning these strategies and how to apply those with your teams to see the performance of your team improve. At the end of each module, There'll be some companion resources. There is a study guide to go along with this. There's also a Bible study you can buy to go along with this if you choose to go that route. There's recommended reading from each module. This one has a book called Burn Your Goals, which is a good book. And then it has references to the material. There'll be a lot of statistics each week, and there's some great references to some of this material. If you want to kind of go for a deeper dive into the material, you can do that. When you complete a module, all you have to go is go back to the Canvas course. So that was module 11. Go back to the Canvas course, and then for module 11, there is a discussion question on goal setting. This discussion question asks you to give an example of a process goal that you can set for athletes on your team. So the module covered goals and goal setting, and one type of goal is a process goal. And you'll tell the class in this discussion question what an example of a process goal would be that you would use with your student athletes. You'll answer the discussion question, and you'll respond to a fellow classmate's post. So every time you answer a discussion question, you'll also respond to one of your classmates. I think you guys will really learn a lot of information from each other. You have a lot of experience to share with each other. I think that's one of the best aspects of the class, is you guys sharing information with each other. I'll go back to the 3D course. When you finish the 3D course, there's 25 modules. The very last one, you'll have to kind of click next here to get to page 2. It says receive your certificate. And when you click on that, you'll fill out a form where they will mail you your certificate. It will have your transformational purpose statement on it, which is something you're going to create in the course. And once you receive that, you can scan that document or take a photo of it, and you will submit your certificate where it says the last module, it says submit your 3D certificate. You will submit that for a grade, but this is half of your grade in the course. So 50% of your grade comes from submitting your certificate, and 50% of your grade comes from completing the 25 discussion questions. You will have my contact information. You can email me. You can contact me through Canvas messaging, and I will be more than happy to help you. I really think this is going to be a great course. I think you'll benefit a lot from this course. I think you'll bring a lot that benefits your classmates, and I'm really looking forward to getting to know each of you and helping you guys share your experiences with each other. Certainly feel free to contact me if you have any questions.